Hi, this is Sasha Costa. I am the CEO for a company called TheMediaHeroes.com. And people ask me, Sasha, what do you guys do? And I wanted to use an analogy of what is it that we do. We are pots and pan beaters. That's what we do. We bang on pots and pans. That's the analogy. We make a lot of noise and we talk about you online. So we are virtual pot and pan beaters. We will make noise and tell the world, and virtually stand in a street corner online and tell the world about you, and as loud as we can. We will, but in all reality, what we'll do is we'll create videos about what you do, and we'll tell the world your stories. If you've done something that it's important to share, we will share that as loudly as we can. So I thought it was fun and cute to say we're virtually, we will beat on a pot in a pan and we'll tell the world what you do. So if you want to know more details on how we do this and how we distribute your content and how we tell the world what you do, look us up. It's TheMediaHeroes.com. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'm looking forward to hearing more from you. Bye-bye.